Hey guys, welcome to Mathways. Today we will be looking at equation of a straight line. Our learning objective: write the equation of a straight line parallel to a line passing through a point. To find the equation of the straight line, we can use the slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope or the gradient of the straight line, and m is also the coefficient of x. Let us look at c. C is the y-intercept, and c is also a constant. Two lines are said to be parallel if they have the same gradient and different y-intercepts. Take a look at these two lines. Y is equal to 2x plus 4, and y is equal to 2x minus 4. The gradient of the first line is 2. Its y-intercept is 4. Look at the second equation. The gradient is 2, and the y-intercept is negative 4. These two lines are parallel because they have the same gradient. Let us look at another example. In the first equation, we have y is equal to negative 3/4 x plus 6. In our second equation, y is equal to negative 3/4 x plus 3. The gradient of the first line is negative 3/4. Its y-intercept is 6. For the second line, our gradient is negative 3/4 and our y-intercept is 3. Both lines share the same gradient. Thus, these two lines are parallel. Given a line and a point to determine the equation of a line parallel to another line, there are a few steps that we must consider. 1. Find the parallel gradient of the line. 2. Find C. How are we going to find C? We have to substitute the parallel gradient and the point given in the slope-intercept form. Once we have found C, we are going to replace the variables of the parallel gradient and C in the equation y is equal to mx plus c with their known variables. Let us look at an example. Write the equation of the straight line parallel to the line y is equal to negative 4x minus 1 and passes through the point negative 3, negative 2. What were we given? We were given the line y is equal to negative 4x minus 1 and the point negative 3, negative 2. What are we required to do? We are required to write the equation of the line parallel to another line that passes through a point. But what do we know? Parallel lines have the same gradient. Let us start and solve this problem. Step 1. We need to find the parallel gradient to the line. Y is equal to negative 4x minus 1. Here, our gradient is the coefficient of x, which is negative 4. Therefore, our parallel gradient is also negative 4 because parallel lines have the same gradient. Step 2. We are going to find the C. But how are we going to find the C? We are going to substitute the point -3, -2, and the parallel gradient -4 in the equation y is equal to mx plus c. X is -3 and y is -2. Therefore, -2 is equal to -4 times -3 plus c, which gives -2 is equal to 12 plus c. In order to make c the subject, we are going to subtract 12 from both sides. Therefore, -14 is equal to c. Now that we have found our parallel gradient and our c, we can write the equation of the line. In order to write the equation of the parallel line, we are going to replace the variables of the parallel gradient and the c in y is equal to mx plus c with their known variables. Finally, the equation of the straight line parallel to the point y is equal to -4x minus 1 and passing through the point -3, -2 is y is equal to -4x minus 14. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.